The date is April 12th, 2016. This video will demonstrate the current assembly process for a Goki shell kit, part number ACP0017/DSH02-0007. The contents of this kit are one decorative shell kit, Goki character, part number CP0017/DSH01-0020, one packing sleeve, part number CP0019/DSH02-0002, and one Goki shell kit sticker, part number CP0026/DSH02-0012. Note that the sticker for this kit is a 4-inch by 2-inch sticker that contains a depiction of the assembled Goki character shell. This sticker must be used with this kit. The assembly process is as follows. Open the envelope, insert the shell kit, seal the envelope, and apply the sticker to this area in this orientation. And we'll repeat this process at a normal speed for time study purposes. The assembly is complete.